we got the 4th of July deals at the deep. But don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Got a top of the line grill here. It's pretty much like a combo. Got everything in here. Iron was the brand. You got some nice grill. It's $199.99. It is a smoker combo, so you get all the grilling gear. It goes here, so you got all of the good stuff there on that one. I'm not really familiar with these, but let us know in the comment section what you guys think about that one. It's a little pricey, but I think it's pretty much like a Cadillac. On this one, you buy any of these scrubbers, you get a free brush for free, or free brush for free, obviously twice. But if you buy the buy one get one free, I heard that you can get the scrubber, the small scrubber, for free with the battery kit, and then get the brush accessories for free as well. So cloth, these are cloth rags, 300 count, $13.96. I got some front filters for $48. There's different ones on every store. So 6 outlets for metal. Got a Bosch extractor here to the side. This is very interesting. It does go into the SDS, or I believe, yeah, it goes into the SDS. This is $69. 40 volt max 4 amp hour battery, XGT 224. Yeah, these batteries are super expensive. You got some Milwaukee stuff here. You got wrench, a bassin wrench, ratcheting pipe cutter, $61, down from $66. Then you got another wrench here, and then you got a pump. So it's a nice pump. It is a few dollars off, not necessarily a lot, but anything helps. You got a 2-tool combo kit for $99. This is your basic tools, great for gifts or for dad's DIYs. $79 for a drill driver kit. You got a 40-piece drill and impact drive set for $9.97, and then a 50-piece impact drive set. Not very expensive at all, so pretty good deals. You do got the buy one get one free still, if you can find the deals still on the stores. Yeah, and then this is the brusher kit, the brush kit. A power scrubber, $69, and you are still able to get the brush for free. So that's what somebody left in the comments the other day. Let us know in the comment section if you guys got that. Plus the the starter kit. So any of these tools qualify for the free promos with the purchase of this kit. So that's pretty nice deals there. You stock up on those batteries. This is a pruning saw and a pole saw there combo. You get a string trimmer and a blower for $99. This, keep in mind, guys, those are the blower and the string trimmer are just for a really small yard. They're not that powerful. They're not for a medium size to large size yard. We got the Ridgid buy one get one free. So these are the two batteries, the 2-pack of batteries you guys are gonna get for free with the purchase of a tool. You got the dual port charger there, the multi-material cut tool, the right angle drill, the 100 reciprocating saw. It looks like an impact wrench, 3/8 impact wrench, subcompact, circular saw. All those qualify for that deal. This is a 2-tool combo kit and a 4-tool combo kit for $379. So just depending on what you need. Lots of good tools. These are $149 a piece. So these are angle grinder, ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, brushless 3/8 ratchet, 7 1/4 circular saw, brushless reciprocating saw, 4-mode impact wrench, and outputs 8 amp hour battery or 2/4. You got a power spin drain cleaner for $53.98 from Ridgid, and you are able to put a drill on the back. $19.97 and $21.97 for high leverage pliers and the groove joint pliers. So I'm just gonna wait until these drop in prices. These have been selling a lot though. You guys could tell from these shelves are almost empty. Still pretty good deal for a pack of 3, $5 a piece. You got tape measure, 25 foot, 2-pack. That's a pretty good deal. and they're rugged, so they're pretty nice. 1988 for the quick load 12-in-1. It's nice to have an all-in-one screwdriver set there. You got a 15-piece magnetic screwdriver. Now this one's pretty nice. It does include those precision screwdrivers to the right, some stubbies on the left. So 1988. You got the picks. I did buy the picks. I ended up breaking these because I wasn't using them as you should be. I was using them as pry bars. Alright, so this is a really nice kit for somebody that cannot afford the DeWalt's or the Milwaukee packouts. These are very decent. These are pro quality organizers, so make sure you guys check them out. Right now they're still on sale. If you can find them at your stores, I think this is a really good deal. This is pretty much like the sweet spot in between the expensive and the cheap. These are not cheap at all, by the way. These are great quality boxes. Alright, so $79 jobsite fan, $79 for a speaker with Bluetooth, a spotlight for $79, orbit sander, a 2 amp hour battery, a jobsite blower, LED hybrid panel lights, jobsite radio, and the 2 batteries. So pretty good deals. And then you got this kit. This is fairly new. It's 100 reciprocating saw, drill driver, impact driver, and then it looks like a cutoff tool. And you get the rolling toolbox. That's pretty nice for $279. And then you got the fans, clip-on fans. This is USB lithium clip-on fan or clamp fan. However, that one's really expensive, but this one's $24. So if you're already on the line, might as well get this one. I do have this one personally. I think this one, throws a lot of air for its size. $39 for a high pressure inflator. This is a new item. I never seen this item before, so it is very compact. It's great to have something like this. I wish it was like a cigarette lighter. You could power this with a cigarette. That would have been nice. Something very compact like this and powered by cigarette lighter. Yeah, but it's powered by battery. Chances are here in the heat, that battery's gonna go bad in no time. 18 gauge brand nailer for $189. And then all these qualify for the buy one get one free. You buy the $199 kit, starter kit, and you get any of those for free, as you guys do see there in the picture now. So that kit includes the 6 amp hour, the 2 amp hour, and the 4 amp hour batteries. Those are all high HP batteries. And then the stick vacuum, which sold out already on all my Home Depots. You could probably get it online. The brand nailer, I would definitely recommend the brand nailer. Same thing with Milwaukee. Definitely recommend these deals. A lot of them are already sold out. I believe there's only one left on this store. This is $199. You get a free tool. Obviously, the vacuum is going to be a nice one. $299 is going to be the inflator and the rocket light. Those are always good deals to get with this $299 kit. These are 2 top-of-the-line batteries, which are 6 amp hour batteries, high output batteries. So definitely recommend this kit over the other one. Some of the tools you guys could get is the impact wrench, the angle grinder, the inflator. The inflator there is at the bottom. The blower and the rocket light there. We just missed that. $49.98 for the 70-piece shockwave. $19.97 for the 3-piece countersink. $24.97 for the right angle plus the bits. So this is a really nice handy tool to have. Even for you DIYs at home. Sometimes you can't fit the drill. Alright, so $3.99 or $2.99 will get you 2 free batteries. Not tools, 2 free batteries. They did lower the price on these, so $29.88 for the 30-ounce tumbler and $24.88 for the 20-ounce. So I definitely recommend you guys get the bigger one. I do have both of these. I take the big one. Usually take the big one. Both of these, I take them to work. As a matter of fact, I just use it today. I still have ice from the morning. So pretty nice. 2 for $99, your choice here. Yeah, these are very limited. They sold out quick once they came out. This is actually the first store where I could find two different lights. So you got a headlamp there, and then you got some sort of rover light there to the right. So that's 600 lumen. Low profile headlamp. You got 8 bimetal hole saw kits, 1.5, 2-inch, 2.5, 2 1/8, and 2 1/4. So 4 different. You got to buy one get one free. So you buy any of these tools, get a free battery. That nailer is pretty good. The installation driver, a ratchet. So those are pretty good deals. And these are hackable as well. Alright, some other deals that I found. This is Octane. This is the screw gun, the drywall screw gun. $76 down from $162. Not bad. And then, guys, they're lowering the price on these. So $70 down to from $99. Pretty good deals on that. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you guys have a great holiday weekend or week. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.